Good day everyone. Good day sir. I am Engine Cadet Rosal Bernabe Jr. Before we start our presentation, I would like you to know that this is for educational use only. Our group is allowing our instructor Mr. Roldan Ardenes to use this as an educational material.
Food security involves several dimensions. Availability. Sufficient quantities of food are consistently available through production, distribution, and exchange. Accessibility. Individuals have physical and economic access to food, meaning they can obtain it through purchase, production, or assistance programs. Utilization. People can utilize food effectively to meet their dietary needs. This includes aspects like nutritional knowledge, food preparation practices, and sanitation. Stability. Access to food is stable over time, meaning it's not subject to sudden disruptions or fluctuations such as price spikes or natural disaster. Achieving food security involves various factors including sustainable agriculture, practices that preserve the environment, maintain soil fertility, and conserve water resources are crucial for long-term food security. Infrastructure and distribution. Efficient transportation, storage facilities, and market access are essential for ensuring that food reaches those who need it, especially in remote or underserved areas. Economic development. Poverty alleviation and income generation initiatives can improve people's purchasing power and access to food. Policy and governance. Governments play a vital role in implementing policies and support food security such as subsidies, trade regulations, and social safety nets. Research and innovation. Advances in technology, such as drought-resistant crops, can exchange agricultural productivity and resilience to climate change. By addressing these factors comprehensively and collaboratively, food security can be achieved at local, national, and global levels. It requires sustained effort and investment but is essential for promoting health, reducing poverty, and fostering sustainable development.
So, identify the factors leading to global food security. So, global food security is a contingent upon a multifaceted framework encompassing a myriad and interconnected factors that collectively shape the availability, accessibility, and adequacy of food for population worldwide. Foremost among these factors is agricultural productivity, which serves as the cornerstone of food security. Agricultural productivity is influenced by a constellation of variables including climatic conditions, soil fertility, water resource, and the adoption of advanced technologies and agronomic practice. Moreover, the resilience of agricultural system to climate change in induced shocks and extreme weather events is becoming increasingly critical, ensuring long-term food security. Economic stability and access to make market are equal, indispensable components of global food security equations. A robust and inclusive economic environmental foster investment in agricultural infrastructure, research and development, and market integration, thereby enhancing efficiency of food production, distribution, and consumption. Furthermore, mechanisms such as social safety nets, price stabilization programs, and agricultural subsidies can mitigate the adversaries affects the market by volatility and ensure that vulnerable population have sufficient access to nutritious food. Political stability and effective governance and mechanism play pivotal role in translating agricultural potential into tangible food security outcomes. Stable political environments are conducive to the formulation and implementation of coherent food security policies, regulatory framework, and institution structures. Additionally, transparent governance practice, anti-corruption measures, and accountable leadership are indispensable for safeguarding the equitable distribution of resources, fostering social cohesion, and promoting participatory decision-making processes. So, social determinants encompassing factors such as education, healthcare, and gender equality exert profound influence on individuals' ability to produce, procure, and consume food. Investments in education and vocational training empowering smallholder farmers with the knowledge and skills necessary to adapt sustainable farming practices, improve crop yields, and enhance livelihoods. Similarly, access to essential healthcare and service, including material and child health intervention and nutritional programs, is paramount in combating malnutrition and ensuring optimal health outcomes. Addressing systematic challenges such as food waste, trade barriers, and environmental sustainability is indispensable for advancing global food security agendas, reducing post-harvest losses, enhancing supply chain efficiency, and promoting sustainable consumption patterns can substantially augment food availability and reduce pressure of natural resources. Moreover, fostering international cooperation, promoting technology transfer, and facilitating knowledge sharing initiatives are imperative for building resilient and adaptive food system capable of withstand emerging challenges and disruptions. In essence, achieving global food security necessitates a holistic and integrated approach that acknowledges the intricate interplay between agricultural, economic, political, and social dynamics. By embracing innovation, fostering collaboration, and prioritize exclusivity and sustainability, the international community can collectively advance towards a future where hunger and malnutrition are relics of the past, and every individual has the opportunity to thrive in a food-secure world. Thank you.
This topic is all about examining the state of the Philippines in terms of food security during pandemic. A report by the Food and Nutrition Research Institute or FNRI found that 96.6% of the households they surveyed received food assistance from their LGU or the private sector 6. Of those households who received ayuda, half of them received it 2 to 3 times, while the other 42.6 received it more than 3 times. How does the pandemic affect the Philippines? So, the pandemic has taken a heavy toll on the rural livelihoods, loss of income, and job opportunities were overarching challenges in poor communities in the Philippines. Disaster-prone communities experience more difficulties in coping with pandemic restriction and its severe economic impact.
So good day everyone. My topic is food security possible? So food security is a critical global concern hangs on various factors including agriculture, productivity, distribution system, economic stability, and social policies. Sustainable farming practices such as agroecology and precision agriculture bolster crop yields while minimizing environment impact. Equitable distribution channels, supported by efficient transportation and storage infrastructure, ensure food reaches those in need, including stability through livelihood, diversification and income generating. Opportunities enhancing purchasing power and access to food. Social policies including nutrition, education and safety nets. Safeguard vulnerable population collectively. These efforts foster food security, ensuring everyone has reliable access to nutrition food, thus promoting health, well-being, and sustainable development. Thank you.
So good day everyone. I'll be here to discuss identifying factors leading to global security. Global security is influenced by various factors, including first, climate change. Climate change, erratic weather patterns affect crop yields and can lead to food shortage. Number 2, economic stability. Access to affordable food depends on a stable economy and economic levels. Number 3, infrastructure. Efficient transportation and storage facilities are crucial for distributing food. Number 4, political stability. Conflict and political unrest can disrupt food production and distribution. Number 5, technology. Advances in agriculture, such as genetically modified crops and precision farming, can improve yields. Number 6, lastly, trade policies. International trade agreements and tariffs affect food availability and prices. So that's all. We have the 6 various factors that can influenced by global food security. That's all. Thank you.
What are the 5 components of food security? The 5 components of food security are 1. Availability, sufficient quantities of food available on a consistent basis. 2. Access, having adequate resources to obtain appropriate foods for a nutritious diet. 3. Utilization, proper use of food based on knowledge of basic nutrition and care, as well as adequate water and sanitation. 4. Stability, having consistent access to adequate food at all times, without the risk of losing access due to sudden shocks like economic or climate change or cyclical events. 5. Agency, having the policies and processes in place that allow people to use food security resources effectively and have a voice in decision making process that affect their food security.
Climate change poses a threat to global food security because it increases the frequency of extreme weather events and undermines the agricultural output. Crop yields are impacted by soil deterioration and loss of arable land. Water scarcity has an impact of animal hydration and aggregation. Crops and animals are put in danger by pests and illnesses. While biodiversity losses reduces resistance to environmental stressors, food insecurity is made worse by economic reasons such as volatile markets and trade obstacles. Disparities in this access to resources, poverty, and other socio-political problems. The distribution of availability of food, growing population put further strain, resources, technological innovation, and fair policies, sustainable farming methods, and international collaboration are necessary to meet these issues. Additionally, food waste in various stages of production, distribution, and consumption contributes to efficiencies and food systems. Overfishing and sustainable agricultural practices threaten marine food resources. Dietary shifts toward resources-intensive foods like meat also strain food system.
My topic is identity of the factors of leading the global food security. So regarding the Philippines, the pandemic exacerbated existing challenge in food security due to factors such as number 1, supply chain disruption, movement restriction disrupted the distribution of food, leading to shortage in some areas. Number 2, economic impact, loss of livelihoods and income reduced people's ability to afford food. 3, the pandemic are important that Philippines relies on importance for a significant portion of its food, making it vulnerable to disruption in global trade. 4, natural disaster. The country is prone to natural disaster like typhoons and droughts, which can damage crops and infrastructure. For efforts to address this challenge include government assistance programs. So, promotion of local foods production and investment to resilient agricultural practice. However, ongoing monitoring and adaptation strategies are crucial to ensure the continued progress in achieving food security.
The 5 components of food security. Number 1, availability, access, utilization, stability, and agency. So, availability, it is the food security refers to the consistent and reliable availability of an adequate food supply. It means that is enough food produced and imported to meet the needs of the populations. Availability is crucial for ensuring the individuals have access to the food they require for a health and balance. So, what is access? So, access, it is to refer the ability of individuals to obtain the food they need. It involves having the financial means to purchase food, as well as physical access to markets and stores where food is sold. Access also includes factors such as transportation, infrastructure, food prices, and income levels that influence an individual's ability to acquire nutritious foods. So, utilization. Utilization, it in food security, it is refers to the proper utilization of food to ensuring optimal nutrition and health. It involves consuming a variety of foods that provide essential nutrients, practicing safe food preparation and storage methods, and having access to clean water and sanitation facilities. Utilization is essential for individuals to achieve a state of natural well-being and good health. So, stability. Stability in food security refers to consistency and predictability of access to food over time. And also, it involves ensuring that food availability and access are maintained even in the face of external shocks such as natural disasters, incoming crisis, or conflict. Stability in food security is very important for safeguarding individuals and communities against food insecurity and ensuring that their nutritional needs are consistently met. So the last, agency. So agency in food security refers to the ability of individuals to make informed choices about the food they consume. And also, it involves having the knowledge, resources, and opportunities to access the utilized food in a way that promotes good nutrition and health. So, agency empowers individuals to make decisions that contribute to their food security and well-being, such as choosing nutritious foods, practicing safe food handling, and advocating for policies that support food security for all.
So, my topic is what are the threats to global food security? So, first, climate change, erratic weather patterns, extreme events like droughts, floods, and storms disrupt agriculture production, affecting crop yields and livestock health. And second, water scarcity, depletion of freshwater sources due to overuse and pollution impact irrigation, essential for agriculture, leading to reduced crop productivity. Third is soil degradation, soil erosion, salinization, and depletion of nutrients decrease fertility, limiting agriculture output and threatening long-term sustainability. And fourth, pests and disease. Invasive pests and plant disease can devastate crops, causing significant losses in yield and compromising food availability. And fifth, conflict and instability. Wars, conflict, and political instability disrupt food supply chains, hinder agriculture activities, and lead to food shortages and famine in affected regions. The sixth, economic factors. Poverty, income inequality, and fluctuation in food prices affect people's access to food, making it difficult for vulnerable population to afford an adequate diet. And seven, loss of biodiversity. Declines in biodiversity reduce resilience to environmental changes, making food system more vulnerable to pests, disease, and climate variability.